Kwa mbele nyakura mgajwang tenda kaonti ma Kisumu dwaro ratiro ne oganda mano owito ngimagi enganyo mane hazimio bage kaonti no ma Kisumu. Jan migao matawi chitelo kod chenro ne oganda Judith Oluoch manyo tele nyasi mara par ma Kisumu kwayo nonro matute wiya pedha makuch mago matimore Nyalenda kod kuonde mamoko. Karapisa ma Kisumu Elisha Oraro emano somo ote governor Anyang' Nyong'o ka koro lero chenro maten kaonti no keto mar kelo fungruok ne jogo mano hinyore e ng'anyo ma Kisumu.
Ane mane nyathina oneko ndele gi polis. Ma en chi nyathina mane ma owito jaode. Koro akwayo jowadwa mondo ukonywa kiny wagolo kiny waiko tich abich.
I'm a brother to Maxwell Ronaldo Onyango, who was beaten up by police officers and is now in the world. The guy was beaten up. As of now, he should be taking medical of surgery. At the head, he has some internal bleeding. And I'm stranded because I have no money to raise to get that 20,000 for the surgery as per now.
Mwanangu alipigwa na risasi kwa tumbo, mpaka matumbo ikatoka.
As at Saturday, 22nd July 2023 at 3:30 p.m., health facilities in Kisumu County had attended to 107 patients who had in one way or the other experienced injuries from the protest. Out of these, 58 were admitted and treated as inpatients in various hospitals across the county, and sadly and very regrettably, 91 patients recorded a history of police assault resulting in the injuries. Of concern and utter shock is that out of those attended to, 47 had gunshot wounds, which required inpatient admission and surgical procedures to save their lives.
Jatenda penye Kenya William Ruto koro de chako